of the major efficiency drivers has been SKU stack. We've been able to increase our picking efficiency by about 50%, which has been huge. And the amazing thing is with Sellercloud, every time we go to them, there's always either a current solution or a solution that can be worked out. So, for somebody who's looking to expand and grow and scale, the Sellercloud platform is really a great place to land. If the hospitality has just been tremendous, and I've really enjoyed the event. I was taking notes through various seminars. I've got a list of things I'm going to follow up on, take back to my team. I feel it's just been a very valuable event.